Hi everyone, welcome to Acres of Clay. Today is Thanksgiving, so you guys are seeing this a little bit later than Thanksgiving Day, but I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving, spending time with family or friends or just staying home. My thoughts, my prayers are with you all. Hopefully you had a wonderful day. And that goes for all those that celebrate Thanksgiving here in America. For those of you that don't, I hope you had a wonderful day. Today, my family is going to my parents' house and we're going to spend Thanksgiving afternoon there, eating all the good food. I helped my mom make pies the other day. So together we made 7 different varieties of pies. And they're all over at her house. And maybe I'll give you guys a sneak peek at all that we made. I don't have to bring anything to Thanksgiving this year. My dad makes the turkey and the potatoes and the stuffing. And so he enjoys doing that. So I don't have to make anything or bring anything. We're just going there. We're gonna spend a few hours there. Then we'll be back home and work on more chores, I guess. Also, if you remember, about almost 2 years ago already, I told you guys that my parents were selling their farm, and I gave you kind of a glimpse of what the farm looked like then. And if I can get out there, I'm going to try to get some footage of what the farm looks like now. It's a huge change. So I'll try to get you a before and an after picture, but they are making all kinds of changes, and of course those changes are not finished. It's a work in progress and it's continuing. They've gotten a long way in the time that I've last shown you what it looks like. So anyway, thanks for joining us today for today's video. I hope it blesses you. So here we go.
Don't be bashful, start in. Getting hungry.
This is my youngest son, Sanders. Today we're going to go pick up some stuff that Sanders bought off an auction. Again. 4 years ago. Just over 4 years ago? Yeah. 4 years ago, he bought his first lawn tractor, which was, what was that?
I already forgot. Craftsman.
Oh, Craftsman, yeah. It was a Craftsman lawnmower and that, or it was a lawn tractor because it didn't have a mower. Garden tractor, is that what it's called? Mm-hmm. He's had how many garden tractors since then? Since the first one you bought 4 years ago.
3.
No,
2.
You've had more.
2.
Nuh-uh. You had that one. Then one of our viewers actually gave you one. And then you got one from Grandpa. And then you got the Cub Cadet.
Yeah, but
that's one. And then you got that red one from Noah.
Oh yeah.
So he's had at least 5. At least 5 that we can remember. He's not even remembering them all. So now today we're going to go back to the same place that he bought that Craftsman.
and we're gonna pick up 2 more because he found a good deal on some projects.
I'm in.
And Kevin's he's gonna bring us. So we're on our way. We've got the cattle trailer because that's what we're hauling everything in.
Actually, it's called the lawnmower cattle trailer.
The lawnmower.
We've hauled a lot of lawnmowers in this trailer.
Here's project number 1. Is this a Cub Cadet? Rusty? No.
No, it's not Rusty.
I hope you have good plans for this. It doesn't run.
Oh, it said to, but it started missing.
It said it. Oh. Well, it kind of need a starter. Oh, box all the rugs. You don't need to bring them home. Tire, look at the tire on that. No good tires.
Nope.
Oh, wow. Got the trailer backed up.
How are we doing
You need me? Alright, I gotta put my camera down. You would think after 4 years of videoing I would have remembered to pull the camera out while we were loading it, but we didn't. So we had someone come with a forklift and load everything because these are heavier than lead. But this is the other one. You got a Murray. I don't think any of these are operational, right?
There's a little bit of work.
Oh, not afraid of a little bit of work.
It's a start.
What else did you get in front?
Snowblower.
So, this Murray lawnmower, came with a snowblower. And this is what I think Sanders is most excited about. He just wants to blow snow. Right? Yeah. He loves snow, so I guess we put him to work in the snow. He's gonna work on these things when he has free time. I hear a kitty, but I'm sure he'll have them up and running in no time.
Well, this one just needs a key.
It needs a key? Oh. So stay tuned and we'll see him riding these pretty soon. Well, at least,
That one.
yeah, maybe the Murray.
This one.
What are we doing with this one?
Part swapping, probably.
It's a part 1?
Oil is like brand new. Still clear.
As I'm editing this video, I realized that I never described to you what Kevin and Sydney were doing inside of that mixer. That mixer is our feed wagon where we mix all of the feed for the cows. We do what's called a TMR, which is a total mixed ration, and all the feed gets dumped into this mixer, and the auger in the middle mixes everything together, and that's how we feed our dairy cows. And they are just doing some general maintenance on the auger just to make sure everything's working properly, making sure that the knives are sharp and so forth. But I forgot to mention what they were doing, so I thought I better add this into the video so you guys don't wonder.
Talk about peeping. Talk about what? Peeping. I know. Yeah, I'm welding that in. Yeah. Hi.
What you doing?
Airing up a tire.
Ah. So you want to tell us what lawnmower works? The lawn tractor, I'm sorry.
These two don't. Right
They
now.
don't? This one doesn't, you mean?
Not yet.
What's wrong with the one you're working on?
Needs cooling.
It was working.
It still does. It just needs to be finished.
It needs what?
It needs to be finished. I need wiring. I need cooling.
Wiring and cooling. Like coolant?
Huh?
Coolant? Fluid?
Water pump.
Oh, water pump?
Needs that.
Can't hear nothing in here.
Not really.
What else you gonna show us? Sanders picked up these two lawn tractors. There's a white and a Yardman. Neighbor had them. Somebody pretty close by had them. So he picked them up. I don't know what he's gonna do with them. Fix them, I guess, and get them running. He's got so many projects going in. I don't know how to keep them straight. How do you keep your projects straight? You just do.
Huh?
You just do?
Pretty much.
Well, here's the Murray that he picked up the other day. He's got it running. It's got the snow plow on it. It came with the snow plow, so he's got, I'm sorry, came with a snow blower, so he's got that on it. And oh yeah, look at the action there. He's excited to get some snow here soon. What else did you do to this?
Well, it was a hydrostat. I swapped that out with the Tecumseh.
A Tecumseh?
Tecumseh Fearless. 4-speed.
A 4-speed? You want to drive it around for us?
Maybe it'll start.
Okay. Yeah, he puts a lot of time and effort into his lawn tractors. He's pretty proud of this one. He can't wait till snow flies and he can do some snow blowing. Hopefully I'll get some video of that. Nice, that thing goes fast.